Hello, this is Michael Beatman with your Gateway FS Weekly Wrap Up for Friday, January 8th. I wanted to wish everybody a Happy New Year. This was the first full trading week of 2021, and it left off where 2020 ended with corn and beans going higher. So on the week, we had March corn up 12 and a half cents. We had March beans up 64 and 3/4 cents. We had March wheat off a penny and 3/4 on the week. Looking ahead to next week, we are going to get a lot of information. So 3 reports are going to come out of the USDA on Tuesday. We're going to get the final numbers, the final production numbers for 2020 crop. We're going to get the quarterly stocks report, and then we're going to get winter wheat acres report. So 3 reports out of the USDA. I know the production report drops at 11, but I'm not sure about the times on the other two, but it will be while the market is trading. So going into the report, I see 2 risks. There is a big upside risk. Missing out is what I mean by upside, and then there is also a downside risk. When does this market correct and kind of come back down to, I guess you want to call it normal levels? So on the upside, we are seeing new money come into this market. It seems like every day. And a lot of times we're seeing it in the overnight. So I'm hearing that that's like European traders that want access to agriculture products. So they're bidding it up overnight. Just new money coming in from all over the place. So that's happening, and that could continue to happen for sure. I guess on the downside is that most people are on the side of the boat that the USDA is going to lower production in this report. So they're going to lower our production, possibly lower our carryout. And it's just a question of how much lower does the trade have priced in, and what number does the USDA provide? Does it kind of bring us back to reality where everything is kind of fine? We're also going to be looking pretty closely at Brazil's soybean harvest, because we are hearing that the first combines are starting to roll down there. Yields are coming in well below average because of the dryness, but they're saying as they get into their later planted beans that they look more to be about average. So that's something to be seen as well going forward. Just back to the report though, it could be an inflection point. I would ask everybody, to take a look at our new crop bids. Not a lot of our customers, unfortunately, are able to participate in the nearby bean rally. Just because a lot of guys are sold up, and that's not just our customers. That's farmers around the country. Really, they don't have a whole heck of a lot of beans left to sell. So just at least ask you to look at our new crop bids across the board. So at every elevator, we should have an 11 in front of our cash bid price for harvest delivery beans, and a 4 in front of the cash price for harvest delivery corn. So maybe take a look at your numbers and see if it makes sense. It's an aggressive strategy to forward contract, but if you do like those numbers and they do make sense, it's not a bad place to start, is what I tell guys. These are numbers out of the field we haven't seen in a while, and it's not a bad place to start anyway. So we're going to be looking forward to that big news coming next week. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to give myself, Phil Sally, or Adam Parker a call. Thank you.